Partial fraction decomposition is a powerful algebraic technique used to break down complex rational functions into simpler, manageable parts. This is especially useful when solving difficult integrals or finding inverse Laplace transforms in engineering and calculus. The Heaviside method allows us to solve for constants almost instantly without setting up a system of linear equations. It is specifically designed for denominators with distinct linear factors, saving you time and reducing the risk of algebraic errors. To find the constant a above the factor x-2, we cover x-2 in the original fraction. Then, we substitute the root, x equals 2, into every other part of the remaining expression. Calculating the values gives us 11/5. This is our first constant, a. Notice how we bypass the need to multiply both sides by the common denominator or solve a system of equations entirely. Next, we repeat the process for the second factor. Cover x plus 3 and substitute its root, -3, into the remaining part of the fraction. This will give us our second constant, b. Simplifying the result gives us 4/5 for constant b. We now have our complete decomposition. The original complex fraction has been successfully broken down into two simple, integrable terms. Let's try another example with a single x in the denominator. Here, the roots are 0 and 4. We will apply the cover-up method again to find a and b quickly. To find a, cover the x and plug in 0. 0 plus 1 divided by 0 minus 4 results in -1/4. This is the numerator for our first term. To find b, cover the factor x-4 and plug in 4. For plus 1 divided by 4 gives us 5/4. The process remains consistent regardless of the numbers involved. It is always good practice to verify. By recombining these fractions using a common denominator, we see the numerator simplifies back to x plus 1. This confirms our Heaviside calculation was correct. To summarize, factor the denominator, find the roots, cover the factor you are solving for, and substitute that root into the rest of the expression. This shortcut is a massive time saver for distinct linear factors. Now it is your turn. For the fraction 1 over x-1 times x-2, what is the numerator for the x-1 term? Think about which value you need to substitute and where. By covering x-1 and plugging in 1, we get 1 divided by -1, which is -1. Great job mastering the Heaviside method. This video was generated by VisionSolve AI.